It's like a set. It's like a theatrical set. I can't. It's so good in here. Welcome to our home tour, and we're with Federico Cardellini, 1995 diving champion.
Noi siamo qui al borgo di Luscignano, borgo antico medievale.
Ok.
Adesso vediamo una bellissima casa storica.
Ok.
Con una vista incredibile.
Oh, cool, ok.
Come on.
Come on. Piace questo borgo, I mean, super charming.
Tutte case comunque con stile.
Yeah, this is a very, very charming village. I mean, if you really want to live in a village, to me, this is one of the cool ones. It's really cute, and everything's very well done here. They have lots of people live here, which is nice. Americani, Inglesi, Olandesi,
Italiani.
Yeah, so right, so it's a very mix, which is kind of nice.
Milanesi, genovesi.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is a very cool village.
Tranquillo.
So this is going to be complicated because this is a part of a borgo. So it's tre case?
Sì, tre corpi.
Okay, so there's 3 buildings. This building with the terrace, that building is a house. This building is a house. It's actually 4. And then there's another building.
Sì.
Yeah,
Esatto. Esatto.
Seriously? I don't know, Federico.
Fantastic.
I don't know if you were the spelling bee champion. So 3 are habitable, 1 is not habitable, but can be renovated. So it's basically this block of 4. And sometimes when you look for real estate in Italy, especially in a borgo like this, it really takes a minute to wrap your head around sort of the floor plan, what's for sale, what's not for sale, because everything's connected. But I think he explained it really well, and well, not that well, but I got it. First, this is the Depandance. This is so cute. Oh my God. He's right, it's cute. Oh, damn, girl. Jeez, that's cool.
Pizza, pane e focaccia.
Oh, this is a cute kitchen. And it's kind of done. It's got all the electrical. It's got the old-fashioned switches that I love. And it's got that cool oven, and it's got the cute sink.
Marmo.
These are like apartments, if you to wrap your head around it. So this would be the kitchen. And then there's a sitting room. So this is the guest room. E tutto di costo di
Allora,
tutto?
totale tutto 350.000 euro.
350.
Tutto.
Yeah, for 4 buildings. This can be like incredible. This can be like a great, great little guest house. Honestly, I don't know that I would do that much. I mean, it's super cute. Oh, this is so cute.
Incredibile. Questo.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and there's a loft bed thing. This is amazing. This is charming as heck. So cute and so typical of this region. This was all, oh my God, that bathroom's so cute. This is so cute. I love it. Oh my God, look how cute that bathroom is.
Wow.
This bathroom, oh my God, this is so.
Fantastico.
Oh my God, this is so good. It's low, but cute. Look at the bathtub they put in. So obviously somebody that has taste owns this, so. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. You can even do a little veggie garden there. Oh wow, there's another terrace.
Ci sono 4 o 5 terrazze.
I love this. Yes, please. I mean, come on. We love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Federico, beautiful. So, e questo qua?
Questo è di proprietà.
E questo non è mio?
Sì, sempre proprietà.
I'm gonna let you go down so I don't kill myself.
Rosmarino, ideale per barbecue. Gelsomino. Property. Qui la vista è incredibile.
This is really special. I mean, somebody needs to buy this. I mean, this garden alone is incredible.
E ancora un'altra terrazza. Tutto in pietra. Wow. E qui parking. Le Alpi incredibile.
So this is remote feeling. So this I would consider as a guest house. I think this is very Airbnb-able. And yeah, this view. Sun rises and the sun sets.
Anche
that
di
way.
notte c'è il sole qua.
Cool, love it. All right, he's waiting for my reaction. He's very cute. Oh, this is so cute. Holy crap, this is cute. Oh my God.
Annette.
So this is the entrance. Of course, they have this cute little library. Hello, stranger. I already like this person. You can tell they're chic already because, I mean, the door with the piece of fabulous linen in it. Very good.
Tuo appartamento.
I love it.
Fantastico.
Already, I just love the foyer.
Occhio.
Okay, so this is an apartment,
Yes.
and then this is an apartment. Let's go here.
Ok. Surprise.
Oh, this is to die for. Oh my God, this is so, so, so cute. So the price on this is steeper than we usually go, but it's finished so you can just move in. I like everything. Wrap it up. Oh my God. This is beautiful, isn't it? Very,
Castagno.
very good.
Nice.
High five. High five. Well done. This is so
Original.
original doors. This is so cute. Oh, this is amazing. You know, done. Wouldn't do anything to this. You know, I mean, she moves her stuff out. We could put a cute little bedroom, a little desk in here, a kitchen, beautiful guest room for people. Bada beam, bada boom. It's so cute. E questa? Oh, there's more. The original flooring, original stone, fireplace in here, killer, 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 killer. That was part of the reason I really, really loved this region was because of these kinds of buildings. And I really fell in love with this aesthetic. I like this really crunchy aesthetic. So if you like this kind of very primitive aesthetic, this is a winner. And the floor in there, I mean, I die. It's so good. I die. The floor is so good. The chestnut floor is so hard as rock. Probably 100-year-old floor.
Belli anche
Maybe older.
questi particolari con le soglie.
Oh my God, I love this so much. I cannot even tell you how much I love this. I love everything about this. This kitchen is like, it's like a set. It's like a theatrical set. I can't. It's so good in here. Oh my God, I love this person so much. Whoever this person is, I love them. Oh, it's like a stage set. You know, as a stylist, I mean, this is like, you know, stylist wet dream. I mean, it's simple, it's cool. It's all about the architecture. It's all about the primitiveness, the simplicity, the living pared down, all the things that I have a hard time with. It's aspirational. This is great. Oh, this is such a cool space. Oh, I like it so much. It'd be great to do a photo shoot here. I just feel like I want to faint right now. Okay. There's a closet. They did a little built-in closet, which is cool. And here's the bathroom. It's a nice big bathroom. Oh, it's great. It's charming as hell in here. I wouldn't really do anything here. I just buy it and move in and call it a look. You know, for me, it's like 12 thumbs up. You know, it's just, this is one of the better properties I've seen. Like, I would consider buying this in the sense of when I was looking for someplace, I would consider this. The one thing I will say is living in a Borgo, it's like living in a high-rise apartment essentially, because you are living with a lot of people and it's close quarters. And if you don't like your neighbor, you're a bit screwed. I had a really hard time when I was looking for property, looking at Borgos, because I would find this and I would fall in love or something like this. And then I would realize that, yeah, but I'm gonna walk outside and then I'm gonna have to say hello to like 12 people on my way out. Having said that, this is A+, and I love it. I love the whole vibe. It's very semplice, è chic, è figo.
Esatto, un
sì,
mix.
Sì, elegante, ma molto primitivo. I mean, it's got a lot of things going on. It's cool.
E non è finito, dobbiamo andare
We're
di
not
sopra.
done. We're not done. We're going upstairs. Crying. It's so good. It's like ABC Carpets was trying to do this, you know what I mean, in New York? But no. Oh,
Incredibile.
I love this woman. I want to be her child.
La cucina qui, questa era la cucina originale.
Yeah, you don't rip any of this stuff out, people. Oh my God. I don't think I could sell it. I think I'd want to drop dead in here. This is where I want to die, right here. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I mean, she has a lot of stuff. Obviously, I would edit, but this woman's very chic. I'm speechless. Oh my God, this is so cool.
Incredibile.
E questa la donna? La donna?
Sì, sì, quando era un po' più giovane.
Oh, she's cute.
Qui diciamo un po' la biblioteca.
Oh my God, this is so fun. This is crazy. You know, when I was a photo stylist, I would scout this and I would say, this is incredible. And this could be such a great photo op, this whole place. This place is a movie set. You could definitely film a movie here.
They already did Ratatouille in that kitchen.
Michael said they did Ratatouille in that kitchen. Oh, we have another bedroom here. So charming. Oh, I love those hat boxes. I like a lot of her stuff. I wonder if she would leave some of it if you bought it. Everything here is just, I mean, there aren't like cracks in the walls. I mean, it's just been very well taken care of. And the floors are amazing. Plenty of storage. There's another closet here and a bathroom here. This is so charming. I love that she has like all these vintage clothes around too and hats. I think I would be friends with her for sure. Gosh, this is fabulous. Oh, and then we have this little, the door's a little, what's with the
C'è
door?
tappeto.
Okay. Oh, tappeto. Oh, okay. Come on, Federico. Use your core. Bravo. Use his core. But it still won't open. Ah, this terrace. I mean, coffee here in the morning, looking out at the mountains. It's just heaven. This would be a cool Airbnb for sure. I don't know the rates here. I don't know if, you know, you could make a ton of money doing an Airbnb up here, but you could certainly do it. And the nice thing about this area is, and I've said it before, is it's very cool in the summer. So cool and crisp up here where it's really, really warm. And I believe the woman is from Bologna, so I'm sure it's very hot there and she comes up here to cool off. Attention. Oh, questa qua. Oh, wow. Be careful, guys, it's slippy.
È aperto, eh.
Oh, wow. Ow. Ow. Ow, wait, stop.
Occhio.
He's trying to kill me. That is the building that you own right there. We're not going to walk into it, and the only reason being is that there's this weird little bridge that leads to it. Not sure that it would bear our weight. He's like, come up here, like that makes sense. Like, Federico, what the heck? Just because you were the world champion mountain climber.
You can walk over that, can't you?
You want to try it?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna.
I'll give it a go.
I mean, it's a pretty sturdy structure.
I'll just put my head in.
I'll believe everything Michael says. Oh my God.
I would walk over it.
What is that? That's crazy. It's got like all filled
Questo è
with
l'ideale,
stones.
aprire e fare una corte, un portico.
Okay. So I think this was sort of a barn that they used. So this has no roof on it. Probably needs the roof replaced. This is like a full reno job. Having said that, I mean, these were all full reno jobs as well. If you wanted to have another guest house, it might be lovely. It could be a great studio space for someone if they're an artist. To me, this is a very artistic sort of situation. It's an expensive project, so it would be one of those things where, you know, if you win the lottery or you are so inclined to do a renovation, a restoration project, this could be a lot of fun. But I mean, right now you have one really complete building with sort of 2 apartments, and then you have another apartment. So it's like 3 residential properties. I think for the price, it's quite good. Okay, guys. Well, if you got through this video, we really thank you. Thanks for joining me,
Grazie,
Federico,
Annette.
as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or like and subscribe. And he's not saying subscribe. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and nothing. Okay.
Subscribe.
There we go. Okay, let's do it again. Ancora. Don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
very good. Okay, and we'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Federico, thank you. Peace.